This tool is going to change the way we think, and it's going to change the way we search the internet. It's called Perplexity AI, and it's far better than ChatGPT, and it's way better than Gemini. So hello guys, and welcome back. In today's video I will show you step by step how you can get started from scratch on Perplexity. So let's just get into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into perplexity.ea. So this is the homepage. As you can see, you have here various options and several things that you have to know it. But first, let's click over Try Pro here. So we have here Perplexity Pro is the most powerful way to search the internet with a limited pro search, upgraded EA models, a limited file upload, image generation, and EPA credits. We have here standard, start for free, no credit card needed. We have here free forever, continue with free, unlimited quick searches, 5 pro searches per day. We have standard Perplexity a model optimized for speed and quality. Create a profile to personalize your answers. So let's come back to the home. And we have here various things. First, we have focus. We have here web search across the internet. Right here we have generate text or chat without searching the web. We have academic here, search for published academic papers, video discover and watch videos. Then we have math, solve equations and find numerical answers. Social, we have search for discussions and opinions. Then we have here, you can also attach text or PDF files to left today, and we have here Pro Search, our most powerful search, ideal for longer answers to complex questions. And for example, I will click over here, how to make money on Perplexity. Perplexity. And then you just dive into it. And we have here how to make money on Perplexity. We have here Pro Search, as you can see, find examples or case here, search for strategies to make money on Perplexity. As you can see, we have here first reading, we have YouTube also, and we have Talify, YouTube, Reddit, how to make money on Perplexity, strategies for making money with Perplexity, and we have here income opportunities on Perplexity, and here we have find examples or case studies of successful money making methods on Perplexity. So we have here case studies making money with Perplexity. We have here examples of successful Perplexity monetization. We have YouTube, Reddit, originality, and we have Perplexity, Lenny, newsletter, learning for profit, and we have test targets. We have here some different ways to make money on Perplexity, obtain new search. We have here searches also answer. So we have to make money using Perplexity, a versatile AI-powered research assistant. You can explore several avenues that leverage its capabilities for content creation and freelancing. Here are some effective strategies. We have the first one, freelancing opportunities, such as content creation, proofreading and editing. And content, we have content monetization for like creating and catching videos, affiliate marketing. Then we have additional strategies such as educational content and social media management. So by leveraging these strategies, you can effectively monetize your skills using Perplexity AI while providing valuable services to clients across various platforms. The key is to combine your creativity with the search capabilities of Perplexity to deliver high-quality results that meet market demands. Then we have related here, which are some creative ways to monetize Perplexity AI. How can I automate Perplexity AI for passive income? Which are the main differences between Perplexity AI and ChatGPT? Then we have here videos. You can just click over the one you want. Then also we have here search images, generate images here. And this is how it works with Perplexity. So I will give you 3 ways to earn money on Perplexity. So the first one is offering expert consulting and advisory services draw a well-crafted profile that attracts clients. So we have here on Perplexity, you can earn money by offering experts consulting and advisory services draw a well-crafted profile that attracts clients. Monetize your expertise by providing valuable tailored insights and charging for personalized consultations. For example, I will give you here Upwork. So to earn money on Perplexity using Upwork, all you have to do is just consultant services on Perplexity to attract clients, leverage your expertise to offer valuable advice, and convert Perplexity interactions into Upwork projects. Then we have other one which is LinkedIn. So to earn money on Perplexity using LinkedIn, showcase your consulting expertise on LinkedIn and direct your network to Perplexity for additional insights. Use LinkedIn to attract clients and drive traffic to your Perplexity profile for paid advisory service. So the second way, which is creating and selling educational content. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content, develop high quality informative materials tailored to your niche. Offer these resources through Perplexity by providing access or exclusive content for a fee, attracting users interested in specialist knowledge. So we have here Udemy. So to earn money by creating and selling educational content on Udemy, first develop and publish comprehensive courses on Udemy that showcase your expertise. Promote these courses on Perplexity by providing value-driven reviews or insights, encouraging users to explore your full content on Udemy. Then we have the second one, which is Amazon. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Amazon, publish ebooks or guides that leverage your expertise. Promote these materials on Perplexity by offering valuable accepts or insights, driving users to purchase your full content on Amazon. So we have here the third one, which is developing and offering tools or apps. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps, create innovative solutions that address specific user needs or challenges. Promote these tools or apps on Perplexity by analyzing their benefits and functionalities, encouraging users to purchase or subscribe for enhanced features. So we have here App Store and Product Hunt. So App Store, to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps on the App Store, create valuable and user-friendly applications tailored to specific needs. Promote your app on Perplexity by showcasing its unique features and benefits, driving traffic and potential downloads from interested users. Then we have here Product Hunt. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps on Product Hunt, launch your product and highlight its key features and benefits. Promote your product and launch on Perplexity to attract early adopters and drive interest, increasing visibility and potential sales. So to earn money on Perplexity or similar platforms, focus on creating valuable content and engaging actively with the community. Understand the platform's monetization options and tailor your content to meet your user needs. Build your reputation by being responsive and involved. Stay informed about platform updates and trends to refine your strategy. Success typically involves persistence and continuous adoption. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. And this is how it works with Perplexity, and thank you for watching.